Hey guys, welcome to another video. So about 2.5 months ago, I bought this cheap little Fiat. Basically just bought it because I needed a cheap car to get me around. Everything worked with the car, apart from one thing. The fan speed control in the heater. It only works at full blast. So it's got 4 settings. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it only works at 4. So it gets pretty annoying driving around with either the fan off when it's raining and the whole car gets fogged up, or you have to put it on 4, on full blast, and you can't hear the music or anything. So about 1.5 months ago, I ordered a resistor, so I figured that must be what's wrong with the fan. It has a resistor switch inside it. So I ordered one from eBay. It arrived today. As you can see, the old one on the left, the new one on the right. Looks really nice. But there's a problem. The connectors are different. Here you can see the old connector. It's got 4 pins. And the new connector's got 5 pins. But if you look on top of it, it's identical. It's got 4 pins going into the resistor. Same with the new one. So instead of sending it back to the seller on eBay, which is probably going to take 2 months, I'm going to see if I can cut this off right here, the 4 pins. Cut this off, 4 pins, and then weld this new part onto the old plug. Maybe it'll work, maybe not. Let's find out. I tried to put some welds in the connectors after I split them apart, but it was really hard to weld, so I tried to solder them. I'm not really sure if it's gonna work. There's maybe a 20% chance it's gonna work. It looks like absolute garbage, but it doesn't really matter what it looks like if it works. But I really don't think it's gonna work. I think I just did a crappy job, and I may even have broken the resistor. So it's only one way to find out, and that is to put it in the car and see if it works. I'm now ready to install the resistor that I modified. It looks like crap, but maybe it'll work. This is gonna go one of 3 ways. Either nothing's gonna happen and it doesn't work, or it works, or it's gonna blow up. We will see. So let's go for it. I have to loosen this up first. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. First I'm gonna turn the fan off. Turn the ignition on. Normally the fan is gonna be quiet on 0, 1, 2 and 3. It's working. Wow, I can't believe it, it's working. That's freaking amazing. I was not expecting that. I was either expecting nothing to happen, so meaning that I broke the new resistor, or that there wasn't any connection at all, or that it started smoking and either I had to replace a fuse or the car started to catch fire or something. But either way, it worked and I'm super happy. So job well done. And nobody's gonna see it underneath the dashboard anyway, so it doesn't matter what it looks like. So yeah, successful job. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and write a comment down below if you have any suggestions to more videos I can make like this, or any comments on the crappy job I just did. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Did not expect that. That was very cool. And of course I forgot the phone in the car, so I gotta go get my phone. But I'm really happy it worked. I wasn't really expecting it to work, especially after the botched job I did with it. Doesn't matter what it looks like as long as it works. Where's my phone? There it is. It is in my Fiat. I mean Ferrari. It's Italian, so it's a Ferrari. Hey, it's my car, I can call it whatever I want. Bye.